Recently, Shopify dropped so many updates, and some of them are really cool. And I'm going to cover two of them to show you how easy it is to work now within the templates. Like previously, whenever we used to create a block or a section within Shopify, and in case like we made it on a home page, and then let's say I want to copy it over contact page, then earlier what used to happen was we had to create a section and then fill everything again. But now with the new updates, all you have to do is you have to go back to the home page, click on this, and from here you can simply copy this, and then you can go back to the contact page, and over there you can paste it in between, and all the information, everything is pasted as it is. You don't have to fill it again, you don't have to style it again, you don't even have to worry about like making everything again and again. So this is one of the coolest feature that Shopify has recently launched, and it has made everything so super easy to while building up the store. And another cool thing is, like, let's say if I want, I can even like right click this, and I can copy this using the right click also, or I can simply click on this and use these three dots to copy the section. Another cool thing is now they have given an option to rename the section block. So initially, like if you are adding any kind of a brand content, or if you have made a slideshow, then and if you have if you have multiple slideshow on the same page, it used to say slideshow only, and there used to be so much of a confusion, like here this is a slideshow, this is a slideshow. So now you can simply rename it and make it featured section, or main section, whatever you want, you can name it easily without any kind of a hassle. And another coolest thing is you can click on this and click on duplicate to duplicate this section, and try to fill up two sections at once and see which one you are liking more while working. Another thing is they have given an option to edit the code. Now this is something which is not recommended to be used for someone who doesn't understand how the liquid and how the CSS works in Shopify, who doesn't have a coding knowledge. But if you have a little bit of a coding knowledge, you can easily click on this edit code, and it will take you to the page where the default code related to the section is there. So you can easily access the code on one click and edit anything you wish to edit. So these are some of the changes, or some of the changes in the theme editor, which have made life of the designers and people who are building up the Shopify stores themselves super easy. If you're a Shopify store owner who is building out a store, or looking to build out a store and need any kind of a help, if you have any kind of a doubt, comment us, and we will help you out in any manner we could. And please like, subscribe, and follow us, so for all the daily tips and tricks that we are going to drop going forward.